Today we explore a tour by MakerFred about robotics and space exploration. Oh wow, that's cool.
Yeah, this one is very nice to see also. Big leap forward. No more planes, but robots that can explore different planets. And this one also is a prototype. He never came to space, but he has a very interesting story to tell. So normally you see these 6 wheels. All the motion structures has been invented by the Russian scientists during Cold War, and after the Cold War ends, there was a sort of deal between France and the Russian scientists to buy this structure from the wheels, and on top of these wheels, French scientists have built what's upon there, and everything on top of it. It's for seeing in stereo, scanning in 3D, and having the position of these wheels, the position of the robots, and all the main command to get all the thing move on in another planet, and with a delay of 20 minutes, because it was planned to explore Mars. And if you want to get a signal from Earth to Mars, it took about 20 minutes. So it's not like a joystick and a video game. You make a very prudent move, and you only know after 40 minutes if it goes in the right direction. 20 to go and 20 to get back, to say or to get back pictures of what the robots are doing exactly. So yeah, this is also a big leap forward in robotics, and many of the other robots here just shown. Even the robot dog.
Yes.
This is for the kids to bring back some nice memories. But I wanted to scan this room, because it was like in another world. So
yeah, it's amazing. I love it. It's probably my favorite.
Okay.
What about this? It's like a big Wall-E.
Yeah, things like that. Yeah, I didn't catch good the name of the plates, but it's the robot age that was beginning in the 80s, 90s, like that.
Mm-hmm. This one climbs the stairs.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, it does grippers.
Okay.
Or at least it seems so. That's the end of the tour. Thanks a lot, MakerFred.